Hold on! Are you also looking to become a full stack developer? You have landed the right place. Our all-rounded training methods keep our learner at top priorities by regular hackathons, workshops, and meetups. Our dedicated placement vertical prepares our learner to conquer this professional world by conducting various activities such as mock interviews and soft skill development sessions. Our exclusive curriculum is designed by the industry experts with more than 10 years of experience. The curriculum, which consists of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and many more with minimum 8 number of projects. The duration of full stack course is 150 plus hours and with flexible mentoring sessions. Experience online recorded sessions as well as highly advanced classroom sessions. Get 100% placement assistance, internship opportunities as well as globally recognized certifications. Enroll now to www.innomatics.in. Innomatics Research Labs. We just don't train, we transform careers.